All right, friends, for this video, you are going to get your Motivation Math workbook and your pencil. And what we're going to do is we're going to tear out these pages right here. So go ahead and pause and start tearing these out. All right, so you should have 177, 185, 217, 249, 273, and 281. And then go ahead and just staple those together. So pause and go staple if you need to, and then write your name at the top. We're going to go ahead and we're going to do a couple problems on each one, and then you're going to finish the rest today in class. So Miss Jarvis made 49 long sleeve blouses for the girls' choir. She sews 11 buttons on the front panel and 2 on each sleeve. How many total buttons? So she has 11 on the front. If this is my shirt, I'm going to draw a picture. And then 2 on each sleeve. So if she did 49 shirts, I'm going to do 49. That's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 buttons on each shirt. So I'm going to do 49 times 15. 5 times 9 is 45. Regroup. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 4 more is 24. I'm going to drop my 0 and scratch out. Now 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 4 is 4. I know that's hard to see, but that says 245 plus 490. And I'm going to add that up. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 9 is 13. So I'm going to regroup my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 4 more is 7. 735. All right, let's go ahead and turn the page. Let's go to page 185. 185. Let's look at number 1. Rebecca had 1,040 stickers in her collection. She gave 41 to Anna. She divided the remaining stickers equally among her 3 sisters. Which strip diagram could Rebecca use to find in the total number of stickers she gave her sister? Well, she had 1,040. That's my total. So I need one that has 1,040 as a total. So that leaves me with B and D. So then she gave 41 to Anna. So that's 41 one time. This can't be that. And then divided the rest among her 3 sisters. Sister 1, sister 2, sister 3. So my answer is B. All right, let's turn the page and let's do 217. I promise you're going to get to go back and do them all. All right, so number 1, Mary drew lines on a rectangle for a stained glass project. So here's her rectangle. Here's the lines that she drew. Which figure in Mary's rectangle has no lines of symmetry? So no lines of symmetry. Well, here's figure 1. I have a right triangle. I'm going to put a maybe on that one because I don't know if I can do a right triangle. I think we said only equilaterals. So number 2, well, I can fold that in half at least. At least it has 1, so it can't be that one. Same with figure 3. I can fold that in half. Can't be that one. If I turn figure 4, well, it looks like I could fold that one in half this way. So that has 1. So if I look, it's got to be figure 1A. All right, let's go ahead and turn the page. Let's look at 249. And yes, we're doing number 1. You guessed it. Abe is building a birdhouse. He needs to cut a piece of wood that will fit on the inside of the birdhouse. Abe must measure JKL to cut a piece of wood to the correct size. Use a protractor to find the measure. So you need to go get a protractor from over on the computer table. You need to make sure that you line up your origin. Make sure one of your sides is lined up with 0. Extend this out if you need to. Remember to use the bottom of your protractor. And then measure for number 1. All right, let's turn to page 273. And yes, we're going to do number 1. Miss Delaney needs to move 396 books from her classroom to the library. Each book weighs half a pound. She divides the book into 6 equal stacks. What will the weight in ounces of each stack? You need to get out your measurement conversion chart right now from your notebook. You're going to use it for this sheet for a lot of these problems. So, if you look on that sheet, it tells you how many ounces are in a pound. Look at it real quick. How many ounces are in a pound? There are 16 ounces in 1 pound. So write that at the top real quick. All right, so this is a multi-step problem. So she has 396 books that she's dividing into 6 equal stacks. So the first thing I want you to do is take 396 and divide it by 6, and let's see what you get. All right, so I got 66. Now that's not my answer. That's how many books are in my stack. There are 66 books in my stack. Now each book weighs half a pound. So that's half a pound for each book. So I'm going to come up here, and I know that if I have half a pound, half of 16 is 8. So each book weighs 8 ounces. So I want to know how many ounces for all the books. So I'm going to do 66 times 8. Go ahead and do that real quick. 8 times 6 is 48. So I put my 8, regrouped my 4. 8 times 6 is 48, plus 4 more is 52. So 528 ounces. See how they put that 66 to try and trick you? Don't let them trick you. All right, let's go to the last page, 281. All right, I'm not going to do one of these with you because there's only 4 of them, and we just got done doing stem and leaf plots and dot plots. So what you're going to do is you're going to work on this packet today, and you will turn it in. If you don't finish, you can work on it this weekend, and you can turn it in on Monday, and if not, then you and I will be talking on Tuesday. So make sure you have all that done. I'm going to show you the pages one more time just in case you got confused, and I will see you later. Have a good night or a good day.